Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our English class by teacher Gladys. So this morning we will going to learn about She Sings Beautifully. But before that, let me ask you. So what did we learn last time? So last time we learned about adjectives, right? So we learn about adjectives. Can you please give me five adjective words? Loud, fast, quiet, slow, beautiful. Okay, very good. So the adjective words loud, fast, slow, quiet, and beautiful. These are what we call adjectives. Okay, these are what we call adjectives, right? So when we say adjectives, we are going to describe the nouns. Adjective words is used to describe a noun. What is a noun? Names of the person, place, things, and animals. Okay, so that was our lesson last time. Thank you for giving the five adjective words. So this morning, we will going to learn about actions. Actions. Okay? So look at the picture. This is what we call speak loudly. Speak loudly is an action. Next is, what do you mean by speak loudly in Pasatay? Can you please read it? Okay, next let's go to sit quietly. Sit quietly. What do you mean by that in Pasatay? Can you please read? Okay, next let's go to run fast. Run fast. What's run fast in Pasatay? Can you read? Okay, next is walk slowly. Walk slowly. Say it again. Walk slowly. What's do you mean by walk slowly in Pasatay? Okay, next is drive carefully. Drive carefully. Say it again. What do you mean by drive carefully in Pasatay? Okay. Next, let's go to sing badly. Sing badly. Say it again, please. Sing badly. Okay, next vocabulary words cook well. Cook well. Say it again. What do you mean by cook well in Pasatay? Okay, good job. Next is draw beautifully. Draw beautifully. Can you please say it again? What do you mean by draw beautifully in Pasatay? Okay, so this is an action. These are action. Okay, let's read one more time. Speak loudly. Sit quietly. Ran fast. Walk slowly. Drive carefully. Sing badly. Cook well. Draw beautifully. Okay. So I will show you a picture and tell me and choose the correct word. Look at the picture and choose the correct word. What is this? Speak loudly, sit quietly, run fast. Okay, this is sit quietly. Very good. Good job. Next, number two. Look at the picture and choose the word. Draw beautifully, cook well, sing badly. What letter? Letter C. What is letter C? Okay, sing badly. Okay, next, let's go to number three. Look at the picture. Drive carefully, walk slowly, speak loudly. Which letter? A, B, or C? Okay, it's letter A. What is letter A? Drive carefully. Okay, next, number four. Choose sing badly, cook well, sit quietly. Which one? Which letter? It's letter A, B. What is letter B? Cook well. Okay, good job. So I'm going to say the action. You are going to say and complete the vocabulary words. Okay, run fast. Speak loudly. Good job. Drive carefully. Cook well. How about walk slowly? Draw beautifully. Sing badly. Okay, very good. So always remember, these are what we call action. Okay? Action. Drive, you do action. Run is an action. Sing is an action. Draw is an action. Speak is an action. Walk is an action. Okay? That is an action. Okay. So, we'll proceed with our lesson. How do we use this? Let's have our grammar. Telling how people do things using adverbs. Okay, let's learn how to use an adverbs. First, look at the picture. He swim fast. Look at this is Harry. Who is he? It's Harry. He swims fast. So, who swim fast? Harry, right? Swim is an action. Fast, what is fast? Fast is an adverbs. Okay? Fast is an adverb. It can be an adjective because you are describing to Harry, right? You are describing to Harry that he swim fast. Okay. Next, let's go to what is an adverb? What is an adverb? Let's learn how to use an adverb. What is an adverb? Everybody, please read. Tell something about a verb, an adjectives, or another adverbs. Again, please read one more time. What is an adverb? Tell something about a verb, an adjectives, or another adverbs. That is an adverb. Okay. So tell something about a verb. What is a verb? Swim, walk, drive, run, sing, draw. Those are a verb. What is a verb? Verb is an action. Okay? Verb is an action word. Is an action word. Swim, you swim. You walk, you run. So that is an action. Mean to say that is an adverb. Tell something a verb. Okay? An adjectives. What is an adjective? Fast is an adjectives. Beautiful. Loud is an adjectives. Quiet. What else? Slow is an adjectives, right? So it tells something about verb and adjectives and another adverbs. So what is that another adverbs? Adverb, there is a lot of adverb. Adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, and adverb of manner. So we will going to learn the adverb of manner. Okay. So what is adverb of manner? Adverb of manner. Everybody please read. They are used to describe an action verbs. What is an adverb of manner? Please read again. They are used to describe an action verbs. So mean to say what is describe? What do you mean by describe in Pasatay? Atibay? Right? Describe an action. You are going to describe your actions, the actions, right? Adverbs of manner is used to describe an action. You're going to describe the swim, the run, walk, draw, sing. You are going to describe it. And they tell us how something is done. Okay? They tell us how something is done. So mean to say, they tell us how finished is that? What is the action is doing? Okay? So that is the adverb of manner. Do you understand? Okay, there are rules in adverb of manners. First, adverb of manners are usually formed by adjectives. They are formed from adjectives. The adverb of manner is from adjective words. By adding ly, you just add ly. So why is it that adjectives then add ly? Like for example, loud is an adjective. If you add ly, it becomes an adverb. So loudly is an adverb. Loud is just an adjective. Loudly is an adverb because there is ly. Okay? That is the adverb. Loudly, just simply add ly. Another, quiet. Adjective words quiet. What is the adverb of quiet? Quietly. Okay? You just add ly to make it an adverb. Next, beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. When we add ly to make it an adverb, right? Beautifully is an adverb. Beautiful is an adjective. Adverb is an beautifully. What is the adverb of beautiful? It's beautifully. How about slow? The turtle is slow. So that is an adjectives. When we add, what is the adverb of the slow? Slowly. Okay? Next is careful. Careful. Adjective. When we add ly, it becomes carefully. This is an adverb. Careful, carefully. Bad, badly. Quick, quickly. Okay? This is an adverb. Don't forget adverb of manner. It's from adjective words and just add ly to make it an adverb. That is the first rule. Add ly from adjectives. Next is there are words that ending in y. When the adjective words end in y, preceded by a consonant, the y is usually changed to I before ly. Okay? Like for example, happy, happily. So it's preceded by a consonant. Mean to say preceded, it's just two letters are consonants. What are the consonants? Okay? P before the Y is in consonant, is a consonant. So you remove the Y, change I, and add ly to make it an adverb. That is the other rules. Another rules for adverb of manner. Another is hungry. I'm hungry. So hungry is an adjective words. R is a consonant and Y. The two letters are two consonant, right? There are consonant. So to make it an adverb, remove the Y, change to L and uh, add ly. Okay, next is easy. Easy. To make it an adverb, remove the Y, change ly. So that is adverb. Happy. What is the adverb of happy? Happily. What is the adverb of hungry? Hungrily. What is the adverb of easy? Easily. Okay? That is the second rules for how to form an adverb. Another rules which is irregular. Another rules which is irregular adverb. From the word ear, mean to say this is not regular. So here, we will not just simply add ly. No. But you need to change spelling. Okay? Here in irregular adverbs, you are going to change spelling. Like for example, good. What is the adverb of good? Well. Okay? Fast. What is the adverb of fast? Still fast. How about hard? What is an adverb of hard? Still hard. These two words here, you don't need to change spelling. But good and well, good, the adverb of good is well. You need to change it. You need to change the spelling. That is what we call irregular adverbs. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, let me ask you without looking. What is an adverb of good? Well. What is the adverb of happy? Happily. What is the adverb of beautiful? Beautifully. What is the adverb of quick? Quickly. What is the adverb of careful? Careful. Carefully. What is the adverb of fast? Fast. What is the adverb of quiet? Quietly. Okay, good job. So let's have the example, sentence example. So laugh loud. Laugh loud. So you